Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is September 28th, 2016, and today we're going to be testing the emergency alert system here in the United States at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and in a few days we're giving the internet away. So I have a report on this, so listen up. So I find this very alarming today. Nationwide emergency alert system test planned for September 28th, Wednesday, 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So why all of a sudden is Washington, D.C. and FEMA, Federal Emergency Management Agency, wanting to test the nationwide emergency alert system? Now, they say that this was planned all the way back in July of 2016, and it was announced. I didn't hear anything about that, and I try to keep up with all of this information. It states here, the purpose of the nationwide test is to ensure that EAS remains an effective means of warning the public about emergencies. Periodic testing of public alert and warning systems helps to assess the operational readiness of alerting infrastructure and identify any needed technological and administrative improvements. Sounds like a lot of blah, blah, blah. This to me sounds like something's in the bag. Something's up. Something's going on. Then it tells us here, which I find this absolutely hysterical, folks, and I'm sure you'll agree with me. The nationwide test will be administered by FEMA in cooperation with the FCC and the National Weather Service, and with the participation of radio, broadcast TV, cable, satellite, and other service providers. Okay, well, we all know how CNN lies in their reports. You really can't trust anything CNN says. They use green screens, false reporting. So how are we going to be able to trust them if they issue a national alert? Something is fishy. And like they say, it smells like fish and looks like fish. It must be fish. I don't like this at all, folks. Today, Wednesday, September 28th, 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, here in the United States of America, we are undergoing a nationwide emergency alert system test. And then, something else that's irking me is October 1st. Obama gives away the internet. I mean, let's be realistic, folks. What right does this man have to give away control of the internet? I mean, are we set up for mass censoring? I think it's a very high possibility. Are we going to be able to get our information out and around to where it needs to go? I don't think so. It's a very serious situation. It says right here, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, is an American private non-profit organization. ICANN registers domain names and keeps the internet stable and secure. So if this organization keeps the internet stable and secure, how in the hell can you just give it away? I'm just blown away by all of this. We have a solar system that has moved into our solar system earlier this year. It's about to wreak havoc on our Earth. We have meteors raining down, earthquake frequency picking up, and this man gives our only form of information access, he gives it away. So, folks, once again, you're going to have to stay prepared. You're going to have to keep your eyes and your ears wide open. Now, there was a mention the other day of October surprise. What's going to happen? Are we going to have a false flag of some kind? Some type of psyop? I don't know, but let's all stay prepared. Let's keep watching with our eyes and our ears wide open. And please do not fall for any disinformation. If you want to know something, email me and I will get the information for you as soon as possible. But do not trust the information that is being spewed in the comment section of any of our videos. Email me your questions, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I want to thank all of our Nibiru watchers. You're doing a fantastic job, and stay tuned. If you have video or photographs, you can send them to NibiruPlanetX2016 at gmail.com. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family members on Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to the Nibiru channel for all of our current updates. And, like I always say, keep an eye in the sky. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is September 28th, 2016, and today we're going to be testing the emergency alert system here in the United States at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and in a few days we're giving the internet away. So I have a report on this, so listen up. So I find this very alarming today. Nationwide emergency alert system test planned for September 28th, Wednesday, 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So why all of a sudden is Washington, D.C.